All right, guys, welcome back to Pilates Strong. My name is Lorene. We're gonna work with our ankle weights today for some inner thigh work. So this was a request, and I love working with ankle weights. I have the Bela, like the heavier of the Bela, but I do actually have heavier ankle weights that I will use for this. Just today, I was like, I'll take it a little easy. I'm gonna be talking about this. So let's go ahead and put our hands behind our head. You're gonna start off in this nice butterfly position with your legs, all right? You're gonna bring your legs together and open out, like nothing to it, like super easy. This should be just a nice little warm up. We're not going crazy yet. We're just gonna kind of open, close, reach out and close. And I want you to think about, as you're pressing open and close, really pressing your feet together as you bring the knees together, and then keeping the feet pressing as you open. And that's gonna get you a little more awareness to those inner thighs, okay? We're gonna add on to this in a second. We're gonna go into a tight bridge. So meaning tight legs touching as much as you can with the ankle weights on to really work on those inner thighs. 3, 2, now bring the feet together, feet flat on the ground. I like my feet a little closer to my butt, hands by your sides, and you're gonna do a Pilates bridge, keeping the knees together, slowly bridging it up, opening up the back, and then lowering it down one vertebrae at a time, okay? So just the beginning of our movements here, taking our time to open it up. This will be a little bit of ab work too. So pressing up, lowering down, okay? And really paying attention to keeping your knees together. Now from here at the top, you're gonna open, close, hinge bridge down, press, open, close, down, press, open, close, down. Just like this, okay? Open, close, down. Keep going, pressing open, close, down. You should start to feel your inner thighs warming up. I'm really actively pressing my inner thighs together as I close and open, pressing, reaching, close, lower. 20 seconds here, okay? We're gonna go into a butterfly passe lift coming up, okay? So keep going here. Shoulders back. It should feel pretty good here. Feel that nice warm up. Oh my gosh, I should have turned the fans on. What was I thinking? I didn't even open the door. I'm gonna be so hot after this. Oh my gosh. I'm already getting warm. Good, keep going. I'm trying to drink more water lately because like I usually get my water like through fruits and stuff like that and vegetables in the summertime. So I haven't been drinking as much water because in the summertime, the fruits are so amazing that I have to eat them. 3, 2, now from here, guys, just open, close, keeping everything nice and stable. My hips are not lowering up or down, just my knees are pressing open, close. This is a burner, a little bit of burnout. You got 20 seconds, press open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Keep your body still as you can, pressing open, close. You're gonna notice how you have to control it on the way out and on the way in, right? Keep going, keep going, keep going. Out, in, 4, come on, 3, 2, and then lower down. Okay, I love that. Hands are gonna go behind your head. You're gonna lift your chest up. You're gonna reach your right leg up and lower, and then switch. Boom, and then switch. And then switch. Abs in tight. Switch. Keep going, switch. And switch. Up and down and press. Good, and lift. Now 3, 2, we're gonna hold the left leg up. You're gonna really post your right hip down. Okay, and from here, you're gonna reach that leg out and back in. So it's a reach out and in. Now listen very carefully. As your leg goes out, you lower the chest. As you lift, you rotate towards that like butterfly passe. Good. So let's go for it. Let's get that timer rolling. Good. So there's a movement throughout my hip. I'm reaching away and in, and you'll feel your inner thighs warming up. Y'all know that I like to get my inner thighs and abs together. It's part of our deep front line. I do like to work them together. Keep going, squeezing. I definitely will feel more of my inner thigh here than my abs because, I've done a lot of chest lift. My abs are pretty used to this. Keep going. Woo, we got a little add-on coming up, and then we're gonna switch. Work that thigh, guys. Keep going. This is where you're gonna get warm. Don't give up. 4, 3, 2. Now ready? Lift up, hold, and just kick it out. Lower it down, lift, bring it in. So notice when my leg goes down, my whole body wants to go over. I'm really facing my right leg to keep it there. Down, lift, in, out. Good. So really working on pelvic stability as I'm working through that leg. Down, up, in, out. Keep going. We got about 10 seconds, or no, 3 seconds. Sorry, 3, 2, now up and down. Up and down. We're going to go a little extra here. 15 seconds, up and down. working through that leg, posting that right leg. Keep going. We got about 5 seconds, and then we're gonna switch. 4, if you're feeling this, good. 3, 2, woo. Okay, bring that leg back in. Now ready, second side. So you're gonna lift. Start with just kind of moving that leg out and in, just to kind of feel that. And then when you're ready, lower that chest, rotate. Lower, rotate. Notice what side is easier to post, right? Oddly enough, on this exercise, my left leg posts better. Don't know why, just does. And in, good. Reach, and in, and reach, and in. Keep going. I'm gonna go about 8 more seconds of this. Keep going, and up. And then we're just gonna add the out and in. 3, 2, now it's out and in. Your chest will stay lifted, over to the right, out and in, keep going. It's about 30 seconds here. It's a lot, I know. As I'm pressing out, I feel all my inner thigh muscles working, VMO, everything working nice and strong. I've got a little bit of quad action going on to extend that leg. So good for our thighs, you guys. I love this kind of work. 10 more seconds, and then we're gonna go down and up for 15. Man, I really should have turned the fan on because I could feel this. Keep going, abs are tight. I'm squeezing everything over. 3, 2, hold it, down, up. So I'm reaching everything over, but my left hip is not lifting. All right, that's super important. 5 seconds, woo, 4, keep going, 3, my goodness, 2, now bring it all back in. Now let's just kind of, it's not a break, but let's just lift our chest up and down. We're gonna add a little bit of extra movement here. Oh, Rocky's sleeping. I don't know if you can see him, but he's so cute. He's got little X's for eyes right now. 4, 3, 2, hold. Now ready, be really careful with the ankle weights here. Maybe just do one leg up and then the other. Or if you're ready, squeeze your thighs or squeeze your soles of your feet together. Lift the legs up, knees to your elbows, and right there hover. Boom. Right there hover. Keep going. Pull, hover. We're gonna add on to this. Pull, hover. Now ready, you pull in. As you lengthen, you reach your legs open, bring them back in. Here. Good. And reach. Pull in. Now these are such weird exercises, I know. You're gonna feel a lot of abs here, kind of warming up. Good. Keep your head in your hands. Boom, squeezing the abs. Reach the legs out, keep going. In, down, reach. 4, 3, 2. Now set the legs down. I'm gonna turn over onto let's do our left side first. So I'm gonna turn around this way. Start on my right side up, left leg down. Okay, I'm gonna open up my hips a little bit. Just some classic Pilates like inner thigh moves, right? Just lifting, lowering, lifting, lowering. Oh my God, so these are like my old school Lululemons that are probably 15 years old and, or maybe even more. They are so high rise. I didn't even realize that high rise existed back then, but apparently they made one pair that was super high rise. And these are it, and they just feel so high on me, I don't know. I know a lot of people like high rise. I'm not as much of a fan. I like the low, mid rise. A little more, lift. Let's pick it up. Lift, squeeze, lower. Lift, squeeze, lower. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, up, hold. Let's pulse. 1, 2, lower down. 4 pulses. 3, 2, 1, lower down. 6, 5, little ladder. 4, 3, 2, 1, lower. Going to 8, 8, 7. You guys feel that? 6, 5. We're gonna go to what? 12, 4, 3, 2, 1, lower. 10, 9, 8. Let it feel good. 6, 5, 4. If you need to put something on your bottom hip, do it. 2, 1. Last round here. 12. It doesn't mean we're stopping. 11, 10. Shoulders down the back. 8, 7, 6. So I'm not like here. 4, 3, 2. Now hold. Ooh, so hard. Bend that leg, guys. Tap the shin. Reach. Tap your shin. Reach. So you're trying to grab your shin here for a second, like I'm pulling in. And then, actually you want to flex it and then reach. Good. Tap, reach, tap, reach, tap, reach. 10, reach, 9, reach, 8. You guys feel that? Circles are coming. 7, and then we're switching sides. 6, try to stay stable. My posted leg is holding me. 4, reach. 3, good. I'm sweating, you guys. 2, good. Hold. Oh my gosh, circles. Why am I doing circles after all that? That's a lot of work. Keep going. Up, out, and around. Up, out, and around. We got that ladder coming up on the other side. We got those shin taps to the circles coming up. Got about 5 seconds this direction. 4, 3, 2. Reverse. Abs are scooped in. Good, keep going. Trying to keep stable and strong. Everything's really working here. Like everything's holding up. There's nothing relaxing here. Okay, we got about 15 more seconds and then we're gonna switch sides. Thank goodness. Keep going, up, out, and around, up, out, and around, up, out, and around. I am sweating. Should have put the fans on. I didn't even open a window. What am I thinking? 4, 3, I hate it when I do that. And I don't want to stop it because it's just like you have to start over. 3, 2, and then woo, release that. All right, so in between, you know what? Yeah, let's do it. Let's add this in between because I think it'll be really good. So you're gonna go ahead and lay on your stomach. Now, if your low back has problems, you're gonna skip this part, okay? If your low back is okay, you're gonna just do a quick little round of this. Now, if you are not able to do this, the other option is just to lay on your back and bridge. We're gonna do a little bit of booty lift, but notice that my feet are fairly, my knees are fairly narrow. So unlike a regular froggy press where they're way out here, it's a little more narrow. And this is why I say be careful with your low back. Some people find this really challenging. Okay, just a nice little reset, up and down, working through the thighs, working through the knees, working through the hips. We're gonna go just about 20 more seconds, lift and lower. So this type of range of motion has always been a challenge for me. I've worked on it a lot. I would say this range of motion for me is pretty darn good. It's really solid, like it feels good. It doesn't feel like I'm using my low back at all. And just had to really work through that. Good, and now really think about whether both legs are working together or if one is feeling stronger, and focus your mind on the one that's a little bit weaker, okay? Let's go just 10 more seconds here and then we're gonna switch sides. And lift, squeeze. Oh my God, my buddy's so tired. So I did try taking him out to the park today, but it was so windy that like I took him, I like went to the park really quick and he was so confused. I was like, buddy, we just can't, it's too windy. 3, 2, and then release. Around here, you have to be careful because we have huge giant trees. And so they have been cutting them down lately, but you have to, I'm like, oh, tired here. But you do have to be a little bit careful at the parks. All right, so laying on your other side, okay, we're gonna start off with that inner thigh lift, that ladder that we did. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of lift up here and then lower. Okay, so start with just an up and down, little up and down, working through that leg. I'm leading with my heel. So long story short, he was a little confused because I took him and then like, just like ran with him a little bit. And then like, that was it. It was like so short. He was like, wait, are we done? It was so windy though. Oh, up, down. I knew it was gonna be windy. I should have just, I don't know, done something else instead, but I tried. Up, down, shoulders back, lift, lower. Now ready, pulse. 1, 2, lower. 4, 3, 2, 1, lower. Remember, we're going to 12, 6, 5, 4, inner thighs, 4, 3, 2, sorry, lower down. I think we're at 8 now. 8, 7, little pulses. 6, come on, 5, focus on those inner thighs. 4, 3, 2, 1, lower to 10, 10, squeeze it. 9, everything's working. 8, good. 7, we're not slacking off here. 6, 5, you got to work your muscles like together. 3, 2, lower down. You know, they all have to be kind of stacked, lengthened, working. That's what Pilates is all about. 10, 9, finding efficiency in our bodies so that not one thing is just always working all the time. 6, 5, 4, like core's working. I'm holding myself up. 3, 2, 1, and now we're gonna do those. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot them. The circles. Whoop. Up, out, and around. Up, out, and around. Up, out, and around. There are times where like I'll forget to do an exercise because, you know, when you're talking, it's hard to do it. And even though I do write stuff down, it's still hard. And then I like, oh, you don't have to like edit it, or like I have to like redo the whole video. It's just like, oh my God, it's so much work. Okay, keep going. Shoulders back, chest up. Go about 15 more seconds, you guys. Keep it going. Up, out, and around. Up, out, and around. I love this, you guys. I really feel that inner thigh lifting and squeezing. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Let's go about 4, 3, 2. Let's go the other way, guys. Make those nice circles. Working through that entire inner thigh. Feels so nice, you guys. We're gonna do a internally rotated bridge here at the end of this. Keep going. About 15 more seconds to sort of finish off those inner thighs. I love this. I hope you guys are able to keep up. I love the burn, guys. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Now bring that shin in. I like the foot flex. And then reach. Woo! In and then reach. Okay, just like this. A little in and reach. In and reach. I think I just realized that I may have reversed the sequence a little bit on this side, but if I did, I apologize. And reach. Keep going. Tap and reach. Tap and reach. Keep it going. Keep that leg working. Good. Let's do it and reach. Let's go 20 more seconds. Reach. So we're pressing in and everything is working and reaching. It's a little bit of a theme here with that sort of passe and reach, right? Keep going. 10 more seconds. If you feel anything wrong with your hips or they're over recruiting, take a rest or take the weight off. There's no point to use a weight if your like entire leg is like cramping up in here. That's not what we want. We want inner thigh to work, right? We want the good stuff to work. 3, 2, hold 4, 3, 2, and then release. Oh my goodness. All right, so now I'm gonna lay on my back. We're gonna go into an internal rotation. So my feet are gonna be wide, my knees are touching, okay? I'm gonna bridge up and down. I'm really focusing on squeezing my knees together. I love internal rotation for my hips. I love external too, but internal I find is often ignored. Everyone's doing a pigeon stretch, but we're not necessarily doing our hero pose, which in yoga is where you literally will be seated with your legs kind of in this. Imagine me seated up, but with my legs in this position. It's kind of like that. It's called, I believe, hero pose. Down and up, boom. Keep the thighs squeezing as you lift. There is, I mean, when I'm lifting and lowering, guys, I'm squeezing, like not like over recruiting, but like I'm definitely staying focused on keeping my thighs together so that one thigh is not pushing the other thigh over. Everything through the bottom of my glutes is working. My inner thighs are touching and they're talking to each other to see who's working more or less, and they're balancing each other out. 22 seconds. That is the conversation that they're having. Yes. 20 more seconds. Good. Press down and press down. Keep going. Press down. Woo, I love it. We're getting that last bit from our inner thighs to our booty. Good. Last 10 seconds here, guys. Keep going through. Almost there. 4, 3, 2, and then release. Awesome job, you guys. Great for the thighs. Great for the inner thighs, the butt. Let's go ahead and just stretch this out from here. I'm going to go ahead and just take, I'm not going to go super wide on my pigeon. I'm just going to sort of grab my shin here and just kind of bring my knee in like this. You should feel a little stretch through here, right? Shoulder back. I'm lengthening my tailbone. If you like this, like, comment, subscribe, share. God, so many videos. I've got like over 100 videos now on Instagram. It's insane. Keep kind of hanging out there for a second and then switch sides. I love that stretch. So you're basically just kind of posting your leg on your shin. You're not going super wide, and you're sort of like, the way you're getting the stretch is by sort of sticking out your tailbone while you hold that shin down, sort of seat your hip. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know if you have any other requests. Awesome job.